Academic reading isn't just about getting through a document, it's about understanding it. If you've ever reread the same sentence 5 times or spent hours Googling what a paragraph means, Tailo is here to help. In this video, we'll explore how Tailo's built-in tools, from summaries to explain this, help you understand complex texts faster and more confidently. Let's start with the tailored document summary. Every document uploaded to Tailo is automatically summarized, giving you a personalized breakdown of what the paper is about, perfect for getting the gist before diving in. As you scroll through, you'll see the option to generate a summary for each section. These sit at the top of each part of the document and give you a quick, clear explanation of what's coming up, ideal for revising specific chapters or scanning for relevant content. Now let's take a look at Explain This. If you hit a tricky paragraph, something full of jargon or complex structure, just highlight the text and click Explain This. Tailo instantly rewrites it in a simpler, clearer language, helping you move forward without getting stuck. And the best part, you can customize the explanation to suit your needs. Adjust the level of detail, choose your existing knowledge level, and set the language complexity that works for you. It's support that adapts to how you learn best. Tailo Tutor gives you personalized, real-time support as you read, so you're not just reading the material, you're actively engaging with it. Click Tutor to open up a conversational window alongside your document. Here, you can start a guided conversation about the text. You might ask, what are the main ideas of this paper? Where can I find the evidence that supports this argument? Or, how does this link to my topic? Tutor adapts to you, so whether you're brand new to the topic or looking to dig deeper, you'll get support that matches your knowledge level and study goals. You can even ask Tutor to quiz you on what you've just read. A great way to reinforce key points and check your understanding. Each conversation is tailored to the document you're reading, helping you stay focused, absorb more, and make connections faster. Finally, let's explore Enhanced Search. This tool helps you quickly locate important concepts across your document, even if the phrasing isn't an exact match. Just enter a keyword or phrase, and Tailo will find direct matches and similar terms. It's perfect for finding where a topic is discussed without having to scan the whole document, whether you're prepping for a test or trying to track down key arguments for an assignment. To recap, use tailored document and section summaries to quickly understand the structure and meaning. Highlight difficult text and use Explain This with adjustable settings to simplify it. Ask questions, explore concepts, or request a quick quiz to test your understanding with Tutor. Use Enhanced Search to find exact and similar matches across your document quickly and efficiently. In the next video, we'll explore how you can keep track of what matters while you read with Tailo's highlighting and comments.